Good morning, sir.
Good morning, all.
Morning, sir.
See, actually, that's how is the video, man? Because this is mobile Wi-Fi I'm using. It's no net actually. Is the video clear? Unless we write. How is it, man?
Clear only, sir.
We will try. We don't know how far it will be. What is the last problem?
Sir, that pulley problem. Hello, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What we are doing one last one, constraint relations we framed as no.
Fully, sir.
That is constraint relations.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Consistent motion.
L1 minus L2, that one only, no?
Yes, sir.
See, yesterday we were discussing this, no?
Yes, sir.
Here, the same thing by another method we had to approach. Yesterday's method, I think you remember.
Yes, sir.
Now, this new method, second method, is nothing but he takes some fixed frame, anything, any fixed line. I am taking this as the fixed line. This is for each moving object, assign some distance. For each moving object, assign some distance. So this is moving, this is moving, this is moving. Now you know that this distance is constant. This one and this one. Because this is fixed, that is fixed, no. Whereas y1, y2, these three are variables. Still here, any doubt is there?
No,
Another
sir.
method of framing, the connection between different accelerations. Yesterday we are used string length is constant. So here also upper string. Let us call this as string 1. This is string 1. This is string 2. Okay. Now upper string, if you take, what is the length of the string will frame. See here, this is for string 1. What we have, left side is YA, do you agree with this part and this part? Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Inextensible.
If you differentiate this, now as this goes up, what happens to P?
P moves.
That means YA decreases with increase in that is the reason why we take like this. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now let us concentrate on the lower string. We take this lower string, this portion is nothing but left side. If you look at this, do you agree with this? This length and the small
Yes, sir,
length
yes.
is the right length now.
Yes, sir.
Sir, one doubt, sir.
Not
Sir, YB minus YP, no, sir.
that's what I think.
Yes.
Right now, this is different shades. Any doubt is there? Now, what is this value?
V naught.
It is 0. Why? Because it is constant. Look at this.
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Because this is fixed, this is fixed. Distance between two fixed points will be constant now. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay.
See, because as this moves down, string length increases. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Agree, sir.
So you are having two equations. Yesterday you got the same thing, Chikar.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Got the sir.
Return this.
Yes, sir.
See, let us take another example. Now let us find the connection between these accelerations. Now, first method we will do. What is the first method we learned? The first method is nothing but the length of the string remains constant. That one only, no? Am I right or not? So
Yes, sir.
here, if this goes by XA, pulley also has to come like this, no? Both are same, no? So this has to go up, no? Wherever, see, there is no rule that exactly should take. Anyway, you can take. Suppose after solving you get negative, that means opposite to your assumption. So don't take that. Don't think these are fixed. Anyway, you can assume. Understood what I am saying? You will take the directions as you like, your wish. You'll frame the equations. After that, you'll draw the free body diagrams. After that, you'll apply Newton's laws. After that, you solve the equation. Finally, when you get the acceleration, what is the meaning of that? What is the meaning?
If it is in opposite direction, opposite of
It is
the
opposite to our assumed direction. Understood this? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now you can see, if you take this end, I'll call this as shall I write the equations? See here, change in length of string 1 to this part is how much? Originally, suppose this is some L0 or L1. Okay. Now this goes up, this goes down or not? When this
Yes, sir.
goes
Yes, sir.
down, what do you have? XP. This is fixed, the 0.
XP plus 1.
Next, come back to this. Change in length of this. See, when this goes down, you have XP. This is not moving now. 4. Do you agree with this?
Sir, can you explain that one more time, sir? After writing, didn't understand, sir.
This one.
No, sir. 4-3.
4, 3 is
Delta
there,
L 4.
man. No, 4, 3 is there. See, remember that first thing, 3. Suppose this moves by x3, this moves by x4. What I told man, assume that 4 is fixed. When x3 moves, it will be increasing now.
Yes, sir.
When x4 comes, assume that this is fixed. x4 will make the decrease the string now.
Yes, sir.
Is the total change in length now.
Yes, sir.
You're able to understand what I am saying. There are 2 points. Let's concentrate on this. Forget about the problem for a while. This is A, B. Suppose this end moves XB. This has XA. Assume B is fixed. So motion of A decreases or increases?
Decrease.
So we should take, therefore, we must take minus XA. What are this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What we should do, assume A is fixed. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, this you should fix in your mind, man. This is always we cannot do, no. This relation between acceleration is a simple thing. Orally we should write because you're beginner, I'm explaining so many times. Similarly, here 4-3 is there. This is coming. Assume this is fixed. What we should take? Plus or minus for x4?
Minus.
Minus.
Minus x4. This is increasing. Same concept applied. Now here, in this particular column, 4 is not moving, no? This point is a part of pulley, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
See, don't think 4 is a part of the string. It is here. I'm taking marking here. Point on the pulley. Is it moving, this part?
No, sir.
So this is 0. That's why I've taken this as 0. Understood this? Now come back to 5-6. Tell, you see?
minus xb plus 0.
Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Now total length of the string. So you have xp. Understood this? Followed or not?
Yes, sir.
Oh,
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Tell.
sir, one doubt. Sir, why total change in length of string is equal to 0?
Because string is inextensible, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir,
Tell.
sir, if a string is moving from a fixed point, it means it is decreasing its length.
No many understand this. This point is not at all moving.
Yes, sir. That means it's fixed now, sir. It's fixed.
That's why 0. That's why I taken 0.
You should not take minus, sir.
Why we should take, man? This point is not, see, man, again, if it moves toward this, negative. It moves like this, positive. If it doesn't move, what will happen?
0.
They are taking the same thing.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
No, we cannot take as we like, no. This should
Yes,
be,
sir.
these are reality, what is happening, that same thing I am framing. It's not moving. Why we should take negative?
Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
What are they?
Yes, sir.
So you have here finally, what is it you have here? Two equations. 2xp equals xp. Now xp equals xa anana.
Yes, sir.
If you differentiate once, again you differentiate, you should get this. Understood this?
Yes, sir. Understood.
In doubt is that till here?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Shall I turn the page?
Yes, sir.
Please don't change the page, sir. 1 minute.
Hmm?
But the length of string 1, 2, and 4, 3, 4 is not equal, no, sir. You took them equal.
I didn't get you. They're equal on no, as far as in this portion is fixed, no? This length and this length, they're not equal.
Yes, sir. Equal, sir.
I'm taking the reference line from here, man. These are anyhow fixed only, no? Why do you take that?
Yes, sir. Should.
If you want to take upon differentiation, that will become 0. Any constant length of the string makes it 0 or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
We will do it by other method. What is the other method?
It's the line method.
We take this YA what is our new? Is it completed? Huh? Hmm. Agreed. So anyhow, if it moves by YA, this automatically moves by same distance. No? Agreed or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If this and this same thing, and inner take separately, no? Do you agree with this? Now, what is the length of the string? My left side, this length, can you tell? I'll take this This length, how much it will be? Okay, I'll take from here. This left side, what is the length of the string? YP. This distance is also YP. This distance is YB. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Now, as this comes, what will happen? Is it
Distance
positive or negative?
negative.
This come, talk, before talking, thinking, this will go up. What will happen?
Positive, sir.
Comes down.
P by K is positive. Increases.
Hmm. What about this thing?
Negative. It is decreasing. By B
When
goes
this
up.
come, see, there is no rule. I am taking this also to move like this only. Then this is also negative one, no? If you want it, ever wish, if you want, you can take this.
Positive.
You want to take, so in some situations, you cannot judge. In that case, take any direction. After that, you will get the acceleration. Then if the acceleration upon solving the equation happens to be negative, that means that particular acceleration, what we assumed is of opposite sign. Suppose you assume that it is having upward acceleration and you got negative, that means it must have which acceleration?
Downward.
Downward.
That's all. So here, understood this?
Yes, sir.
Return this.
Yes, sir.
1 minute, sir.
Yes.
Return this.
1 minute, sir. 1 minute.
Completed?
Yes, sir. Completed.
Find the constant relation. Relation between accelerations. So here also the same thing. This part I'll take string 1. Now, say I'll call them as, this is the initial length of the string now.
Yes, sir.
Now you can see that when this goes down, I'll assume that motion. There are assumptions, it may be true or may not be true. Okay, so I'm just assuming. Can you tell what is the final length?
L1 plus X.
See this is fixed. That end is not there. Okay, XA. This part is there.
L2 plus L2 minus XB.
Hmm?
L2 minus XB.
Why am
Yes,
I
sir. Minus
going up?
XB. Yes, sir.
This is also same case. Okay.
L4 plus XC.
Now initial length should be equal to finite length, no?
Yes, sir.
Do you agree with this? See, while differentiate, now you need not take signs for this. There's already assigned the directions now.
Yes, sir.
For this method, you need not assign any sign for differentials. Follow this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now let us do it by other method. Shall I turn this?
Yes,
1
sir.
minute.
1
hour.
minute. Sir.
Yes, sir.
So those who finish it, this do the by other method. See, you are getting the same thing or not.
Sir? Sir?
Shall I turn this?
Sir, one doubt.
Tell.
Sir, because of the B is moving up, so we are taking that L2 and L3 minus XB, sir.
Is that?
No, sir,
Yes.
we are taking L2 minus XB because the B particle is moving up.
That means you did not follow this.
No, sir, I followed sir, that one.
Same thing.
Yes, sir.
Assume, I clearly wrote, man, assume B is fixed,
Yes.
motion of ended decreases. Similarly, anyhow, this is fixed. Okay, when it goes up, this point goes up, length will decrease, no? When this is fixed, when this goes up, length decreases.
Yes, sir.
Sir, completed.
From second method also got.
Second method also got, very good. Others also try. Once you know this, then we can link up any number of pulleys motion.
Sir, your video is stuck.
Share me, sir, your video is stuck.
Video stuff.
See, we assume that this is the assumption we made now. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes.
let us take the length of the string as constant.
Why?
This is correct.
Why?
This is enough, no? This and this will be having the same thing.
Why?
Okay. Now you can see that great.
Yes, sir.
Now this is positive or negative? But as
Positive.
it goes, this will decrease. No?
Positive, sir.
Negative. Positive.
Positive.
For this, you have to take sign.
Plus VB. Easy.
Same thing you got previously.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Here we can do by both the methods, na sir.
Very good.
We can do by both the methods, na sir.
Or I am saying no.
Yes, sir.
Understood till
Completed.
here?
Yes, sir.
I think you have a maths class. If possible, we will see tomorrow. Okay? Right.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Then. Yeah,
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Chemistry class is not there, so you can take by that time.
which one?
Physical chemistry class, sir. Maybe today is
Not-
not there.
If it is not there, give a call to me.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Because
Yes,
I don't know.
Sir, don't know exactly if it is not
No, exactly. If it's there, we will
That's
message on
what,
this.
man. If there is no, then put it in the group, no physical chemistry, then I'll adjust. Okay. Right.
Okay, sir.
Yes,
Because I cannot ask him. He may feel bad. Fine. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Again, he'll think students told me. It looks very awkward. You shout at students.
no.
Right, man. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.